Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. We have 10 of cups in reverse, 9 of pentacles in reverse and queen of swords. Gemini, so in your situation today, guys, maybe for some of you trusted someone or you had faith in some kind of a circumstance, but what is happening today is something unexpected and it is creating a lot of pain and stress, anxiety for you guys, and you are unable to have that hope or see a better way of doing things in your situation. So some kind of stress, a lot of troubles. It may be in your relationship or it may be in your career, guys. Someone is not to be trusted or some circumstance has gone bad and you feel that whatever you did, maybe whatever you worked for, all that has gone wrong. So things are going negatively. Something unexpected is happening in your situation today, guys. Gemini, so some kind of worry or stress you are feeling today, and maybe for some of you, you are maybe taking a break. Maybe there, I see that someone has left you, someone really close to you has left you. It may be this person you love. So you are simply devastated and you don't know what how to cope up with this situation, guys. So you are simply worried, you are crying because this person has left you, or it may be someone close to you, maybe your friend or a family member. So something has broken in that relationship and this person is leaving you. That is causing a lot of stress for you guys, Gemini. So that is what I see, guys, Gemini, with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 4 of swords in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe if you are careful enough to handle the situation with a lot of precautions, maybe there are some bad things happening in this relationship. This person is angry, they are exploding, they just want to leave you or break this relationship. So if you are wise enough, if you want this person and if you are able to handle the situation carefully, you are going to see a change in your situation, guys, Gemini. So this person may not leave you. Maybe they are maybe they may move away from you for a few days, but they will surely come back if you have that patience and if you know the right way to handle the situation, guys, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 8 of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So in your career, guys, Gemini, whatever you trusted, we saw the similar energy, guys, with the cards for your general energy. So you expected certain things, but what is happening is something different. And maybe for some of you, you are seeing some delays or suspensions in your work, guys. So you need to be quite patient if you want things to move in a positive way, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading I have right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, let's see what is the card and what is the reading, guys, with that card. So we have enter the garden of delights. That is the card, guys. So in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your past you have seen lot of stressful things. Maybe people have left you and you are immensely hurt and you are not ready to move on. You are still in that sadness and sorrow and you are not enjoying what is right there in front of you. You have not healed from your situation, guys, and you just want to continue in the same way of your life. You are not trying to even change. But you need to understand that life is a flowing river. So only when we change ourselves with how our circumstances are changing, we are going to live, guys. So in order to live a peaceful life, in order to achieve that purpose of our life, you need to move on. Let yourself go from that frozen moments of the past and be ready to taste your present. So what is being offered to you in your present situation? You need not worry because all that is coming towards you is going to change you in a very beautiful way, and you just need to ready to accept what is coming your way and let go of all the horrors of the past away from you, guys. And this garden here now is to be is to be relished with your senses, tasted, seen, heard, touched and inhaled, and also to be loved. So what is there right in front of you? You must use your senses to realize its true nature, guys. And the new day is here, a new beginning is here. So celebration is imminent and you need to let go of your past to relish what is there right in front of you, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, guys, let's see what is the card, and it is Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, you need to appreciate even the smallest things you have, guys. Whatever blessings you have, maybe blessings in the form of possessions, things or people, friends, whatever it is. So when you appreciate even the smaller things, smaller fortunes you are having today, it is simply going to multiply and you are going to enjoy greater things in life, guys. So you need to make this a habit to have that peace, happiness and contentment in your heart today. And just like the sisters we see here in this card, guys, one sister is for darkness and one is for light. So we all have that light and dark within ourselves, and we must never reject what we do not like, the aspects of our own self, but we should understand it, and we should be able to embrace both the aspects and work in harmony, guys. So we need not make people afraid by the darkness we have in us, but we should use it as an opportunity to be generous, to be kind, and to solidify the bonds we have with the people in our life. So that is the blessing we can wish for and ask for in our situation. And also, you need to understand that you should have that clarity in your heart and be able to see beyond appearances, maybe with yourself, just like you have the light and dark. Each and every one of us have that light energy and dark energy in us, and we need to find the right way to communicate with people and have that clarity, guys, in our situation. And this card also stands for a beautiful communication with our loved ones, with our family. So maybe for some of you, if you are expecting or if you want to communicate, that is what is going to happen today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.